a wife, a running car, a man who said he wasn't driving, but under Florida law, that is not the test.
I'm sorry, I had to. I can't let him drink and drive.
Whoa. Cheyenne! I wasn't driving.
Good afternoon, Deputy Officer, Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Can I ask you to step out of the car for a minute?
Why?
Because I'm giving you a lawful command to step out of the vehicle.
Why?
Sir, I'm giving you a lawful command to step out of your vehicle.
What's the reason?
Sir, I'm not going to ask you again. I'm going to rip you out of your vehicle. You are now resisting. You are about to go to jail.
No,
Take your seatbelt off and step out of the vehicle.
That's not lawful.
HQ Bravo 602, I got one resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Sir,
I'm not resisting.
I'm giving you one more chance to step out of this car or you're going to get ripped out of it.
1033,
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
602,
I'm not resisting.
1012, resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm sorry. I don't even have the keys.
Where's your door handle at?
Please stop.
Sir, you're about to get ripped out of your vehicle.
Online chat representatives are available.
And why?
To switch to
You
chat,
need to give me a lawful reason.
I'm giving you a lawful command to step out of your vehicle. Get out or you're getting tased.
Why?
Get out of the car now.
10-4, Bravo
why?
601,
I need
he'll
a
be
lawful
on
Get out of the car or you're getting tased.
I need
Point
a
Drive.
lawful reason why.
Get out of the car right now.
I will.
Get out of the car and get on the ground.
Stop.
Get out of the car right now.
Stop.
Get out of the car right now.
Stop.
Sir, get out of the car. You're getting tased.
I will in a minute.
Get out of the car right now.
Ripped.
I don't care. Get out of the car.
chat with our online representatives.
This.
Get out of the car.
What's up?
Get out of the car. Turn around and face the car. Don't move.
I want to call the police.
Turn around and face the car.
I want to call the police.
I'm telling you, turn around. Turn around, put your hands on the car, don't move. One at taser point.
I don't know why. I'm resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sure.
If you move, you're getting tased. Do you understand me?
I didn't do anything. Sorry, didn't do anything. What did I do? I need to know.
77, I got a whiskey Mike, signal 55.
I need to know what I'm being detained for.
10-4, Whiskey Mike, signal 55.
For
my
DUI.
rights. I didn't drive. I don't even have a sorry, I didn't have a, nope. My car keys aren't even here. Sorry. That's my wallet. Sorry.
Now you're under arrest for resisting.
I'm not. I didn't do anything. Sorry. Didn't do anything. Can we wait for the backup? Can we wait for
Walk to the truck before you start catching extra charges.
For what? For what?
I've already told you. I'm out here investigating a DUI. Have a seat in the truck. You're under arrest for resisting.
For what? I wasn't. I wasn't.
I got eyes on him with 87. Who's 77?
10-4.
You're under arrest for resisting.
I was not resisting.
Sir, how many times did I tell you to get out of your car?
I did.
No, you had to be put at taser point.
Because no, the
Hey.
door. The door.
It's not my fault you can't comprehend
opens.
English. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
It doesn't matter. You want to bet me?
Okay.
That's why you're in the
Let's
back
see the
seat
body
in
cam.
handcuffs.
I would like to see.
My body cam's been activated the whole time. Thank
I'm
you.
being detained
No, you're under arrest.
unlawfully.
You're under arrest.
The one.
Car's running. He's parked right here on the phone. Kept refusing to get out of the car after multiple verbal commands. So I finally had to reach in and get the door open.
Is this open?
Yeah, I believe so.
A little bit's been missing. Smells like alcohol.
No, this is unopened.
That's open.
But apparently he's been at the house drinking. That's the wife right there. She's the caller.
Okay.
That was just laying in the seat right here beside him.
All right.
But I probably gave him about 10 commands to get out of the vehicle. And I tried to use the bar here as leverage.
Mm-hmm.
And he ended up getting away from me. So I just pulled a taser on him and he finally complied with the red dot.
Point at him or just low red?
What's that?
Point at him or low red?
No, it was in his chest.
Okay.
Because I was too close.
No worries. Oh, that's what tricked you open right there.
Yeah, I think it is.
Right there, the edge.
Yeah.
Act up, and your family's gonna see all of it. All right.
I'm sorry.
They're around here.
All right. First of all,
Step out here for
you
me.
cannot arrest me.
Step out here.
I'm sorry. Can I
Sir,
speak? Can I speak?
Step out of the vehicle. We're going to pull you out. I'm done talking. You're giving a lawful command to step out of this vehicle right now. I'm going to drag you out on the ground if you do not comply.
I will, but I can. Excuse me. I will. Can I Cheyenne! I was not resisting. I asked them to let me out. How can I be arrested for a DUI when I was not given a breathalyzer? I'm not.
Get in the car and shut up.
Get in the car.
I'm not refusing arrest.
Get in the car.
I'm not refusing arrest. I'm not. Cheyenne!
Had enough of this. That ain't mine.
10 commands to exit the vehicle. He refused every single one. Pennsylvania versus Mimms settled this in 1977. Officers can order any occupant out of a stopped vehicle. That is not a debate. Refusing those commands has a legal name. Florida Statute 843.02. Resisting without violence. First-degree misdemeanor. Up to 1 year. That is a separate charge on top of whatever else he was about to face. The caller was his wife. Almost 30 years of marriage. This was not the first time. He had a prior DWI in Virginia. The pattern was already on record. She knew exactly what she was doing when she picked up the phone. That matters.
Ma'am, you want to drive the car back?
Yeah, I'll drive it back. I'm sorry, I had to. I can't let him drink and drive.
We appreciate that.
I've been married to that man for almost 30 years. In the last 10 have been hell. Absolute hell.
Has been arrested for DUI previously.
He was back in Virginia when we lived in Virginia. He again was drunk like this, starting trouble at a restaurant.
Okay.
And he called the cops on me for some reason. Called the cops came, they obviously saw it.
So you got like disorderly
Intoxication.
in public.
Yeah, in public.
Because he was just at a
It
restaurant.
should be a lot if you need to get it.
But he's never been,
Okay, he's never had a DUI?
no, never had a DUI.
So you said he destroyed part of the house. Was that?
Yes.
Oh, so you wasn't at home when all this
I
took
was
place.
not,
Okay.
but my daughter was on the phone with me, and he was calling me all kinds of vulgarities, asking me about this credit card that he has supposedly signed for you. And I said, I don't know about your credit card. I said, I'm at work. I was at work yesterday. I don't know about some credit card you signed. He's like, give me my effing card, you effing this, that. I'll leave your life. I'll be out of your life forever. And
Just let Delta Charlie Foxtrot know.
Yeah.
No, he didn't put hands on you or anything? You sure? Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna be cool. We'll check and make sure they're not too tight, and we're
All
gonna
right.
get you up.
Kick your feet over on the floor. We're gonna sit you back up, and I'll adjust some cuffs.
I didn't do anything to.
Sir, I'm not here to argue with you. I asked you to put your feet in the floorboard.
Yeah, come on.
Or we're going to leave you like this.
Come on, put your feet up here.
It affects my. No.
You wanna sit up from where you're at?
I can't. The wrist. These. I can't.
We can just sit you up from where you're at.
I can't. No, it's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna happen.
My man.
I can't. I can't.
Well, the cuffs aren't coming off. Not
What did I do to? I did not resist.
Okay.
Look at the body cam.
Okay, that's fine.
Review the body cam.
It's there.
But let's get you up.
Okay, but please review the body cam.
We're not debating that right here. We're going to get you sat up so I can get you to the jail.
We're not going to.
We're not debating anything else. That's what court's for. It's not the side of the road.
No, and I would like a person of color
A what?
on the team. A person of color, not white.
So, hey, this is not how this works. This is my show now. It is not yours. You're going to sit up and put your seatbelt on so I can take you to the jail.
I can't.
Okay, well, we're going to help you sit up. Put your feet
not
back in
without
the
hurting
floorboard.
me. I'm sorry. Are your body cams on?
They absolutely are. So is
Okay.
that camera right above your head.
Okay, please. So I can't.
Put your feet over.
1, 2,
I can't. I can't. Fuck. I can't. I'm right-handed.
You're pushing against him.
I'm not
There we
doing
go.
anything.
There we go.
I'm not.
Now turn this way.
I'm not. Oh, fuck. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not. What did I do? You still have not
Actually, this
told
one
me.
is a little tight, so let me just adjust it for you.
Exactly. Record that.
I am.
It's recorded.
You did not give me any chance to get out of the car. I told you. I told you, and you immediately threatened me with tasing me. I hope your body cam is on.
It was absolutely wrong.
Okay,
That one
I
is
did
good,
not.
and that one's good.
No, this one hurts. I did not. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because I was laying on it.
Okay, there you go.
No, it's not. It's too tight.
It's adjusted.
It's too tight. Please, it's too tight.
It is not
It'll come off when we get to the jail.
I can get my fingers in between. All right, there.
I did not do anything to
All right,
resist.
slide back so we can
I
tighten up
told
the
you,
seatbelt.
and I couldn't get out of the car. With the, yes, yes, it does. Yes, it does. I can't walk. It's.
You're doing a great job now.
Good job. You good?
I'm good.
First of all, I want to speak. I want to call the police. Can I get out?
Yes, sir. Step out here.
Okay.
And we're going to walk to the front of my Tahoe.
Am I going to be told I'm a resisting arrest because I can't get out just like before? No.
I'm just.
No. Before you were very. First of all,
I just walk to the front of my Tahoe.
I can't because my pants are falling down.
There you go.
Okay. No. I can't.
I need you to walk to the front of my Tahoe.
Do you want me to walk with my pants falling down? I
All right,
want.
your pants are up.
No, they're not. Okay. This is not right.
All right, we're going to stand right here in front of my truck.
I want to call.
Sir, I'm not playing these games with you. Stand in front of my truck.
I will. I'm going to call the police though. That is my right.
Now, stand there and don't say anything. I have to read you something. I have to read you something. You will not interrupt me. Stand there and don't say a word.
No, I can talk. That is my right. My First Amendment right.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you going to keep interrupting me?
I don't agree with it. Sorry.
Sir.
It's my First Amendment right.
Let me tell you something. Okay.
I want someone here.
Here's how this is going to work.
I want someone here.
You keep prolonging me, and I will make sure you sit in here another day. Sit there and shut your mouth and listen to me.
I wasn't even. He arrested me for a DUI and resisting arrest. He pulled. I don't even have my pants off.
Listen to me.
There is no test. I wasn't resisting. He immediately threatened to tase me. I want to call a legal representative.
Hey, you let me do my job and you can call whoever the fuck you want to.
I will not. Can I have a sheriff here?
Hey, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
That's fine.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
No.
Do you understand your rights?
I don't agree.
Do you understand your rights?
I don't agree.
That's not what I'm asking you. You said you have 2 master's degrees. Use them.
If I would agree,
do you understand?
If I would agree to the rights, that would mean I would mean.
Sir, what is your name?
Johnny.
Okay, Johnny. So, Deputy Mugger, he is not asking you if you.
He pulled me over for no.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, please, you gotta listen to me.
Okay, I want a sheriff here.
Sir.
I want a sheriff here. I request a sheriff here.
Sir, our uniform say sheriff, okay?
The sheriff.
Okay.
He's not coming. That's not reasonable.
He's asking you.
Okay,
Do you understand? Do you understand?
This right here is demoralizing.
You did, not me.
I told you my pants were falling down.
Do you understand the rights that I read to you?
Sure.
Having them rights in line, do you wish to speak to me?
No.
Okay. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety exercises?
No.
Okay.
No.
So
Because
refusing field sobriety is going to be used against you in court at a later date. Do you understand that?
You had to give me the DUI.
Okay.
While I was on the car.
Sounds good.
I was not driving.
Okay.
I wasn't driving.
You are under arrest for DUI and resisting.
He said he didn't agree when Miranda was read. But agreeing is not the standard. Miranda versus Arizona, once rights are read, and a suspect continues speaking without invoking counsel, every statement that follows is admissible in court. Disagreement does not invoke the right. He kept talking. At length, Johnny was charged with DUI and resisting without violence. His defense was that he wasn't driving. Florida Statute 316.193 covers actual physical control, not just active driving. Driver's seat, engine running, keys present. Under Florida law, that is sufficient for a DUI charge. The vehicle does not need to be moving. 2 charges. With a prior out-of-state DWI on record, enhanced penalties under Florida law are in play.
Without
No,
violence.
I wasn't even.
Have a seat over on that bench.
I wasn't even.
Have a seat over on the bench.
I wasn't. This is too tight.
That's not my problem. Go sit on that bench like you were told.
lack of having glasses.
Are these your prescription glasses?
What do you think? Put them on.
I don't fucking know. They're not my glasses.
This is not appropriate.
You know what? I don't give a shit. Here's his personal property.
No, those are, first of all, that's my personal property.
I don't care.
Any damage to it will be reimbursed by the state.
You want to sign this?
I'm back.
You sure you didn't get to?
No, he didn't.
No, he was about to get ready to.
No, I'm sorry, I did not. That is a lie.
What?
That
You don't even know what it says.
That I resisted arrest.
Not
Do
even
you have
what
any
it says.
Surgisil?
The officer gets a B+. The commands were lawful. The taser threat was proportional to active resistance. Miranda was delivered post-arrest. Under Graham versus Connor, the force is judged on what the officer knew in the moment, not in hindsight. Every step here holds up to that standard. One note, Miranda was read in the patrol vehicle rather than at the point of initial custody. Courts examine that window. It does not void the charges, but it is the one thing worth noting. Johnny gets a D. His wife called the police. He was in a running car after drinking. He refused 10 lawful commands to exit the vehicle. Then he argued with Miranda. Then kept talking anyway. Florida Statute 843.02 does not require the officer to justify the command. The lawful order alone is sufficient. Every word he said after that was on the record. The right to remain silent is constitutional. It was read to him. He declined to use it. Cheyenne gets a B+. 30 years of marriage and she still made the call. That decision may have prevented something far worse than a resisting charge. Key lesson: physical control of a vehicle is enough for a DUI charge in Florida. The car does not need to be moving. And when an officer issues a lawful command, the roadside is not the courtroom. Challenge the law in front of a judge, not through a car window with a taser pointed at you. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be?